Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam described about wine as حرمت الخمر لأسكارها. Alcohol is forbidden due to intoxication. ما أكثر كثيرة فقليله حرام. Even a small amount of that which produces intoxication is prohibited. لا تجمع الخمر والإيمان في جوف أو قلب رجل أبدا. Alcohol and faith can't coexist in a person's stomach or heart. Al-khamru ummul fawahishi wal kabair. Alcohol is the root of all evils and major sins. La tajlis ala ma'idatin yushrabu alayha al-khamr. Don't sit at a table, that is dastarkhan, where alcohol is consumed. शारिबुल खमरी ला तुसद्दिकूहु इज़ा हद्दसा वला तज़व्वजूहु इज़ा ख़ातबा. If a drunkard talks, don't believe him. If he asks for a relationship, don't give him a relationship. When alcoholism enters a home, then blessing ends from that house. Among psychiatric patients of America, 85% are the patients of alcohol.